In this video, we will discuss the AIPRM extension, its usage and its most common applications. I have already downloaded the AIPRM extension and you will see that there are several prompts available that can be used with just one click. To install the extension, go to your browser and type AIPRM extension in the search bar. Click on the first link and then click on install. If you have not yet installed the extension, it will show install instead of remove. After installing, please refresh your ChatGPT website page. You will notice that there are multiple prompts available for use. Additionally, some customization options may require an upgrade, but we currently use the free version. Now, let's say we want to search for blog posts. We can do this by typing India's education system in the search box as an example of a topic we are interested in. After hitting enter, it will provide with various blog post titles related to this topic. It will provide you with 10 results, but for now, I will choose the second one. Let's go back and type our blog post. We can select anyone from these two. You can also check how many users are seeing this prompt and how many users like it. You can also like this prompt if you find it helpful. To create the dedicated blog post, I will simply click on the second option and copy the title into it. After that, I will hit the enter button. This will create a blog post that will help you get an idea for your blog post. Make sure not to use any of the information for cheating purposes. Remember, you can write in any language you prefer.